You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
We're social. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to see our trending content.
We've got a lava fountain in this Force of Nature.
Force of Nature is brought to you by Owens Corning. Visibly different. Introducing the next generation of pink fiberglass insulation.
You know, one of the most dangerous situations after a storm is downed power lines. Firefighters in Bedford, Virginia taught the public a lesson in how quickly they can spark a fire by sharing footage of a tree bursting into flames on October 4th. In Southern California, the voltage was much higher in the air. Severe thunderstorms brought quite the light show with both cloud-to-cloud and cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. There was no need for fireworks at Disneyland since Mother Nature was hosting her own show. And now to Hawaii to see the latest volcano action happening there. Lava fountains were seen erupting in the southern part of the lava lake at Kilauea Summit on the Big Island. Some of them were 5 to 10 meters high.
Very glad you could join us on the Weather Network. We're going to start things off in Ontario, where we do have some fog patches happening across northern shores of Lake Superior, although from Wawa down to Sault Ste. Marie getting some fog. We've seen that through Ottawa and the Valley and down towards eastern Lanark County, Brockville, pardon me. We have some drizzle around Hamilton, mainly cloudy around Toronto once again, but mild, 16 degrees in Toronto, 8 in Sudbury with some fog, and Thunder Bay right now at 12. We've also been dealing with lots of sunshine and warm temperatures across northern Ontario, so that trend will continue. Temperatures will be likely quite mild into the 20s where we get the sunshine, maybe not quite 20 degrees where we get more clouds like in the west end of Lake Ontario. But sunny breaks nonetheless is expected today. Fog patches this morning around Montreal over towards Sherbrooke and up through Quebec City as well. So make sure you got your headlights on. Look at Trois-Rivières, just 2 degrees. So that's a bit of a cold fog happening right now. And our afternoon conditions, lovely. We're under high pressure, and that will likely continue for another day or two yet to come. Now let's go to Atlantic Canada, where we've been largely escaping the frost for most areas. 10 degrees in Charlottetown right now. St. John's at 6 degrees. We now have the winds out of the southwest, so that will bode well for today. 17 degrees, a much nicer day than yesterday's gusty, blustery and cloudy, showery kind of day. 20 in Moncton, 21 in Halifax today. So our jet stream, which has been riding high and allowing that warmer air to come in, well, that will continue into Ontario and Quebec, but note the trough taking a dip this weekend into Newfoundland and for a little period of it into the eastern Maritimes. So expect a drop in temperatures. Most of the rain will be into Newfoundland. We need some rain into central prairies because of the poor air quality due to smoke and the snow winding down this morning in BC. Share your weather now. Well, I always love the Share Your Weather segment, but I particularly like it today. Congratulations, Rachel Schutzen. On the night of September 28th, she gave birth to baby Emma Elizabeth Price Owen. Also, congratulations to Papa Dan. And there you go. Aren't they an adorable couple right there? Mama and baby. And we are so proud for Rachel and the family. Not quite as adorable, but also a very nice picture from Fredericton at My New Brunswick, and showing some of the fall colors and the St. John River. And you've been enjoying a nice string of sunny days. That will continue today as well. So very pleasant weather in the Maritimes, Nebing, Ontario, west side of Lake Superior, and Arlene sending a picture of her life out on the pond. There's the chickens, and starting to see some of the fall colors changing as well. I shouldn't say starting to, continuing to see that. All right, this was the angry sea of St. John's, Newfoundland. Travis, thank you for sharing that. That was, of course, what was post-tropical storm Sam that still packed hurricane-force winds, but it was well out to sea. But the swells were the biggest concern, where that has now moved further away. And along the south shore of Nova Scotia, thank you, Sue, and there's a family of deer. Be wary of deer and wildlife. They're on the move. It's fall, of course, and we want to make sure everyone stays safe. And then a bit of cloudy skies in Vernon, British Columbia. You know, in the northern parts of the province, though, we've been dealing with snow.
Severe weather.
It is so windy right now.
Whether you're on our app, website, or TV, stay safe and prepared with Storm Center.